We shall now talk about the ternary operator or the operator involving three expressions or operands. You need to understand expression can also mean something like this. If I say x is equal to 10, this is also an example of a expression. If I say x is assigned 10 plus 20, this is also an expression. If I say x is assigned the value of a, this a also is an expression. Although it's a single variable or an operand, it is an expression because once you solve it, you will get a single value which gets copied into x. So in order to understand what is a ternary operator, let us take a look at an example. Let us say x is 20, y is 10 and z is 0. So what I am doing here is the ternary operator, forget this. Z is assigned some expression followed by the question mark, another expression, colon, expression and then semicolon. So what I am doing here is I am comparing the value of x with y. Is 20 greater than 10? It can either be true or false. 20 is greater than 10 is true. So the value of x gets assigned to z. Suppose x was 10 and y was 20. 10 greater than 20 would have been false and the value of y would have been copied to z. So you can think of this like a if and else kind of a statement. If this condition is true, the value of x will go to z. If this condition is false, the value of y will go to z. This is an expression because the result of evaluating this gives you a single value. This also is a single value. This also is a single value. So this is an expression. This is an expression. Now let us see how it looks. The ternary operator can be thought of as if expression 1. What was expression 1? X greater than y. If it is true, this fellow x gets copied to z. X happens to be expression 2. If it happens to be false, else statement is the false statement, then y, which matches expression 3, gets copied to z. So I repeat, this is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. If this is true, expression 2 will get copied to the variable. If this is false, expression 3 will get copied to the variable, as you can see here. Now, the ternary operator operates on three operands or expression. In this case, x and y are single operands. They are simple operands or also expressions, whereas x greater than y is an example of a expression. So this is also known as a conditional operator. The syntax is variable is assigned expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3 semicolon. Expression 1 is always evaluated first. If the result is true, the value of evaluating or the result of expression 2 is assigned to the variable. If this is false, the result of expression 3 is assigned to variable. Alright, so you can take a look at this. A is an operand, B is an operand, C is an operand. This can also be considered as an expression, this as an expression, this as an expression. Expression is anything which on evaluation gives a single value. So whatever is the value of this, if it is non-zero, the value of B will get copied to variable. If it is 0, that means it is false. The value of C will get copied to variable. Alright, so this is an example of an expression. This is an expression, this is an expression, this is an expression. Alright, so I hope you have understood the ternary operator. It is, you can assume it like a if else kind of a statement. If this is true, copy value of 2 into variable. If this is false, copy 3 into variable.